What's going on YouTube? Mati back here with another video. In this video, I'll be detailing what are my maintenance costs for my 2017 Camaro ZL1 A10 automatic. So most people think that buying a ZL1 or any kind of sports car is you buy the car and that's pretty much it. But what most people don't factor in is the maintenance costs involved in owning a car like this right here, which really isn't that much when I go over the details and explain it to you, but they can stack up if you're just thinking that you're just gonna buy the car and that's pretty much gonna be it. So I'm gonna go over three main things in this video right here, which is one, the cost of insurance, number two, the cost of wheels for this car right here, because replacing these wheels can get a bit expensive if you want the best of the best, and number three, the cost of general maintenance on this car right here. So the first thing that I'm gonna go ahead and go over is insurance costs, and insuring a car like this can be a bit expensive depending upon your driving record, age, etc., where you're located. But I'm located in South Carolina. My age right now is 25. So my insurance, I would say it's fairly priced. I'm pretty sure I can get a little bit better, but I'm stuck on my parents' insurance right now until our new policy renews. And then thereafter, I'll go ahead and get my own insurance because it should get cheaper now that I'm 25. But funny story with that I'm on my parents' insurance is because I had a suspended license when I was 16 at the time, I believe. I was 16 or 17 years old, and I got that suspended driver's license because I racked up too many tickets in a short amount of time, and it pushed me over the 12-point limit in South Carolina, which suspended my license. After I've been driving pretty normal with this radar detector right here, it saved my life countless times that I can't even imagine with getting speeding tickets and all. But I only have one ticket on my account, and so this right here is going to be based off of me being 25, having one speeding ticket, which carried a 4-point violation in the state of South Carolina. So what I pay for insurance each month is right around 230 bucks, which isn't bad to have this car fully insured, to be 25, have a suspended driver's license, been in 4 accidents, none of the accidents be my fault, of course, but 230 bucks a month on a car like this isn't bad. I'm pretty sure if I was a bit older, maybe 35, 40 years old, and a cleaner driving history, I'm pretty sure that this car right here would be a little bit cheaper to insure. But at my present age, 230 bucks for the type of car it is to have it fully insured, I think that's not a bad deal at all. So the second thing that I'm gonna go over in this video with ownership costs and owning a 2017 ZL1 is the tire cost. The tire cost is one of those things that most people don't think about when buying a brand new car, because the tires on their car is pretty much brand new, which it is. But this car right here will shred through a pair of tires quicker than you know it. The stock Eagle F1s that came on this tire, when I looked on TireRack.com, the tread wear on that tire was rated at right around 10,000 miles, 7,500 to 10,000 miles. I can tell you up front that I did not get anywhere near 7,500 to 10,000 miles on my Eagle F1s. I ended up trading out my tires right around 5,500 miles to get the Michelin Pilot Sport 4S's. And the Michelin Pilot Sport 4S's, the reason why I went with those tires was because they were so good with tread wear, because I had them on my previous SS that I had before buying this car right here, and the tread wear on those tires were phenomenal. They lasted forever, they hooked in the rain. Not that I'm going out speeding in the rain, but just to be able to turn out like this car right here in front of me is turning out, and to be able to hook when oncoming traffic's going, it was a no-brainer for me. So that's what I went with, and the cost of those tires came out to right around 2,100 bucks, and that right there was from Discount Tire. That included them mounting the tires, ordering it for me, and a warranty on each tire, because when I had my SS Camaro, what happened was I was running over nails left and right. I think I had maybe 4 flat tires within a 2-month time period. I thought people were putting nails under my car because I was staying in an apartment complex at the time. But I was running over nails because there was a lot of construction going on around where I stayed at and on the highway and all. So I went ahead and got the protection plan, which I would suggest anyone do with wheels on a car like this right here. Or maybe have an extra pair of tires at the house, which I do have. I just have 2 new tires at the house just sitting there just in case anything happens. So the third and final thing with owning a car like this that I like to go over in the ownership costs would be oil changes. Oil changes can be pretty expensive here or there, especially on a car like this. But when I go into my local dealership, they always offer me 2 full synthetic oil change types. They either offer me the first one, which typically would get me out the door right around 75 to 85 bucks. But I always opt for the Mobile One oil change, which comes in right around 125 to 130 bucks. I know it's pretty steep, but in a car like this, I like to put the best of the best oil in it, and that just goes along with having a car like this, paying 135 bucks. In comparison, my Camry, I take it to the local Toyota dealership, they're in and out the door at 35 to 40 bucks. But having a car like this, what I usually pay for my oil changes is right around 125 to 130 bucks. But yeah, guys, that was pretty much it. Don't forget to go ahead and leave a comment down below of more things that you think I should have listed, or things that I didn't list that you think I should have added to the video. Don't forget to hit that thumbs up button, give me a subscribe if you want more ZL1 content like this. I'm Mati, and I will catch you guys in the next video.